For acoustic partitions in houses, the easiest thumb rule is that more mass, more separation, and decoupling generally require greater overall partition thickness to reliably increase sound transmission class ratings. A practical guideline is that a double stud assembly with a separation of about 6 to 8 inches and full cavity insulation will commonly achieve sound transmission class ratings above 50 when built correctly. To do this, use 2 independent framing plates with no drywall shared between studs, fill each cavity with dense mineral wool, and backer the drywall to minimize flanking paths. If you prefer a thinner footprint, use resilient channels or hat channels applied to one side and install 2 layers of 5/8-inch drywall with staggered seams and acoustic sealant at all junctions to typically reach sound transmission class between 45 and 50. Make sure channels are aligned and fasteners do not bridge to the structural framing. For retrofit situations, consider constrained layer additions such as mass-loaded vinyl applied directly to the existing partition, followed by an independent drywall layer to add mass without major framing changes. Cut the membrane carefully and seal perimeters. Always seal all gaps around electrical boxes, ducts, and at top and bottom plates with acoustic caulk, and use putty pads on boxes to prevent sound leaks. Measure results with a qualified consultant or rental test equipment when precise ratings are required because workmanship and flanking paths often control real-world performance more than theoretical values. Common mistakes include building 2 stud walls but connecting them inadvertently with short fasteners or shared top plates, which defeats decoupling. Avoid this by using separate plates and long offsets or isolation clips. Another issue is relying only on mass without addressing gaps, so even heavy partitions underperform. Fix this by sealing perimeters, filling penetrations, and using sealing compounds at seams. A third frequent problem is assuming insulation alone provides significant transmission loss when much of the benefit comes from cavity design and decoupling. The remedy is to combine dense fill with decoupling methods and additional mass where possible. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners learn practical approaches like these and to connect them with local contractors who can implement them. We host a discussion community so we can share experiences, ask questions, and find professionals for specific acoustic projects.